Dear students, today we shall discuss the question 14th one. Question number 14. See the question. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The diagram is given. Then the angle of elevation of a balloon from the eyes of a girl at any instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. See figure 9.13. Then find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So what is the distance traveled by the balloon? We have to find. So here, let us take this as a ground. I will take this as ground. On this ground, the girl is standing. The height of that girl is how much? This is the eyes of these are the eyes of girl. So the height of that girl is given, that is 1.2 meter. This is what? 1.2 meter height of the girl. Now initially the balloon will be here. Let us take this as balloon. Now they said, so that height will be how much it is? 88.2 meter height of that balloon from the ground. Okay, that is 88.2 meter. That is height of the balloon from the ground. Now, so when she is observing from her eyes, the angle of elevation will be how much? The set angle of elevation is 60 degree. So first I have to draw the horizontal line for this. Okay. Now the angle of elevation, how much it is? 60 degree. How much it is? 60 degree. Okay. Now because of wind, the balloon. Now after some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Because of wind, the balloon changes its position. Either it may go that side or this side. But we have to see the angle of elevation. 30 degree given. So here, the balloon may come here in this one, but height must be same, 88.2. Or the balloon may comes in this way, the height must be 88.2 meter. But the angle of elevation from our eyes must be what? 30 degree. If I take the balloon is here, it cannot become 30 degree. It must be more than 60 degree. Okay. Therefore, the balloon must be here. Okay. After this, the first position. Now here, I will take the balloon will be here. Okay. So the height is again same, 88.2 meter from the ground. This is also 88.2 meter. Now the balloon moves from this position to this position. Okay. Now the angle of elevation is what? The angle of elevation will be 30 degree. As they said. So this is how much? 30 degree. Now we have to find what? Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. From this position to this position, the balloon will come. What is the distance traveled by this balloon? So this distance or this distance, both are same. Okay. Let us name the diagram first. A, B, C, D, and this as E, F, and then now I will extend this. This is 88.2 meter. I will extend it. Okay. Now E, I will take this as. Now the required triangles are which are for 60 degree. For 60 degree, F and this I want. E, F, G I will take this. Okay. Right angle triangles are F, G, E. Okay. For angle 60 degree. Then for angle 30 degree, G I will take this as H. For angle 30 degree, A, H, E. Okay. Here is one angle 90 degree and here is another 90. Okay. For angle 60 degree, here is 90. For angle 30 degree, here is 90 degree. Okay. Now we have to find BC or AF. So BC I want to find. Now first I want to take the right angle triangles here, EGF, because here is 1.2 meter. This BH is also 1.2 meter. Can I write? Both are same here. 1.2 meter, 1.2 meter. Then what about AB? What about AB? So here 88.2 is AB. Then 88.2 minus 1.2, that will be 87 meter. 87 meter will be the height of H. That is H value is 87 meter. BH is 1.2 meter. Then total value. This is 88.2 meter. Now this is 88.2 meter. Now let us go for the triangle FGE. Why? Because here I am going to find BC. BC, how I can find? BC is nothing but BD minus CD. Okay, BD minus CD. Then I will get BC. I need BD and CD. If you want to find CD, you must have easy. If you are going to find easy for the triangle, this one, which one that? I'll go for the triangle FGE. How means? In this one, this is known. FG is known. FG is nothing but what? AH. FG and AH are equal. So FG is known, then automatically I can find easy. If I find easy, then it will be the C. Okay. That's why I'll go for the first right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, which is that FGE. FGE. What I can apply? Tan 60 degree. That is equal to FG divided by EZ. FG divided by EZ. Tan 60 value is root 3. FG. FG is nothing but what? AH. That is 87 divided by EG. We don't know. We have to find it. EZ. Now cross multiplication. EZ is equal to 87 divided by root 3. Now multiply and divide by root 3. So we will get here as what? EZ is equal to EZ or CD. Both are same. CD is equal to, instead of EG I will write a CD is equal to 87 root 3 divided by 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now this CD is equal to 87 divided by 3, that is 29. 29 root 3 meter I can write. Okay, because in meters they are given. So CD I got as 29 root 3 meter. Then I am going to find what? BD. Now BD. To find BD, we have to find EH. EH and BD both are same. So EH is there. Then I have to go for the triangle AHE. In right angle triangle, AHE. AHE. What I can apply here? Tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equals to AHE is nothing but angle 30 degree. AH divided by EH. AH divided by EH. Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AH value is 87 divided by EH. Am I right? Now, so EH will be, EH is equal to what? Cross multiplication, 87 root 3 meter. So EH I got. EH is nothing but what? BD. That is BD is equal to 87 root 3 meter. Okay. Otherwise you can take first this triangle also. Here no problem at all. No need to take this triangle first. You can take this triangle also first. Okay. Now BD I got, and what I got? CD. Then I have to find a BC. But this BC can be written as BC is equal to BD minus CD. BD minus CD. Now this is equal to BD value is known, 87 root 3 minus CD. So CD value is also known. So where it is? 29 root 3. 29 root 3. So 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3. That is 58 root 3 meter. This is what? BC. That is the distance traveled by the balloon. Okay, or the distance covered by the balloon. Therefore, let us write the conclusion. The distance covered by the balloon is 58 root 3 meter. Let us solve the question number 15th one. 15. The question is, a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. There is a one tower. Let us take this is a tower. A man is standing on the top of the tower. There is a road which reaches the foot of the tower. The road will be in this way. Okay. So this is the road. If the car comes in on this road, it reaches the foot of the tower. Okay. There is a car at this position. So I will remove this. Now I'll draw a line. I'll consider this as a road. Okay. There is a car. So at this point, the observer is observing the car on the road at an angle of depression they given. So the observer is here. First I should draw the horizontal line to the eyes of the observer. The angle of depression. So the angle of depression they given here as 30 degree. 30 degree. Okay. So initially the car was this position. The observer is observing on the top of the tower with an angle of depression is 30 degree. Over it is. Then you see. Next, which is approaching the foot of the tower. This car is approaching, means this car is moving towards the foot of the tower. Okay, approaching the foot of the tower. Foot of the tower with uniform speed. That the speed must be uniform. At this position uniform, this position wherever it is. So uniform speed it has. Means constant speed it is maintaining. Now 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. After 6 seconds, with a uniform speed when it is moving, after 6 seconds, I will take the car will be here. I cannot take this side because the car is moving towards the foot of the tower. Okay, the car should come this direction. So after 6 seconds, the car will be here. Now the angle of depression they given here as 60 degree. The angle of depression will be 60 degree. Now angle of depression. Now this will be what? 60 degree. So this is a 60 degree angle. Now if this is 30 degree, this will be 30 degree. Okay, because these two are parallel to each other at right angles. And this will be 60 degree. Now what we have to find? Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. From this point means from here. From this point to this point it has taken 6 seconds. So from the first point to the second point it has taken 6 seconds time. Then we have to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Means second point. Let us name this A, B, C, D. Okay. So here AB is actually the distance. Now distance, speed I will take. Let the speed of car I will take as X. They said that the speed of the car is uniform. They said I will take that uniform speed as X. Then what is the distance covered by the car in 6 seconds? The uniform speed of the car is X. Then what is the distance covered by the car in 6 seconds? What is this one? AB. So this I can write as 6x because speed is nothing but distance divided by time. Speed is nothing but distance by time. So here AB is the distance. I am going to find a distance here. So distance is equal to speed into time. Speed I have taken as x, then time is 6 seconds they said. So therefore 6x will be the distance covered by the car. That is AB I can write. Okay. In place of AB I can write as 6x. Okay. Now I have to find what? I don't want to find a BC. BC will be the distance. I want to find a BC divided by x. What it is? BC by x means what? Actually, I am going to find the time taken by the car to reach the point C from the point B. So, x I have taken as speed. BC divided by x. BC is the distance of the car from B to C. It is BC. BC divided by x. Distance divided by speed. Distance divided by speed is equal to what? Time. Distance by speed is equal to time. So here I want to find, as I taken the value, I have to find BC by x. BC by x is the time taken by the car to reach the point C from the point B. Okay. Now I have to find this. What to do to find this? Now there are two right angle triangles formed. DCB, one right angle triangle. DCA, another right angle triangle. Now I will take the first one. Think and you can take it. Now in right angle triangle, I will take any one first. Then after you can decide about that. In right angle triangle, DCA, I will take this one. DCA. Now in this one, I can apply tan 30 degree. I want to find BC by x. Keep it in mind. Tan 30 degree is equals to, tan 30 means DC divided by AC. DC divided by AC. AC is nothing but distance. DC is nothing but distance it is. 1 by root 3 is equal to DC value. DC we don't know. Write it as it is. Divided by AC. This AC can be written as AB plus BC. AB plus BC. Now 1 divided by root 3 is equal to DC divided by AB value. So AB is 6x. Okay. So 6x plus BC. Now, so I will call the, otherwise instead of this one I will write DC is equal to 6x plus BC divided by root 3. Cross multiplication. DC is equal to 6x plus BC divided by root 3. Now we keep this as it is. Then I will go for another right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, which is that DCB in this one. Now I will apply tan 30 degree. Tan not 30, 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. Tan 60 it is nothing but a DC divided by BC. Opposite by the center. DC divided by BC. What I am going to find? BC by x. So in that term BC must be there. Okay. So tan 60 value is root 3 DC divided by BC. Here also DC I am getting, here also DC I am getting. I don't want DC here. I don't want it. So I want BC by x. So now here, this I will write. What? DC is equal to, this DC is equal to root 3 BC or root 3 BC. Okay. From this equation. This I will call this as equation number 1. And this I will call as equation number 2. From these two, DC, DC, LHS are equal, then RHS must be equal. From 192, now what is that? 6x plus BC divided by root 3 is equal to root 3 BC. Now, 6x plus BC is equal to root 3 into root 3, that is 3BC. Now, 6x is equal to 3BC minus BC, that is 2BC. Then 6 divided by 2, BC is equal to what? 3x. BC I am getting here as 3x. 2 1s are 2 3s are. BC is the distance covered by the car from the point B to C, that is BC. but they ask you to find the distance, not a distance, the time. What is the time taken by the car to reach the point C from B? That is BC by X. According to as we have taken the values. Now I want BC divided by X. BC divided by X is nothing but how much? 3. So this is the time. But here the time they given in second. From A to B they given in second, that is 6 seconds. So BC by X will be 6 seconds. Okay. Therefore now I can write the conclusion. The time taken by the car, from B to C is 3 seconds. Okay, this is how we can solve. Then the last question in the exercise, question number 16. See the question. The angles of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. We have to prove it. Once again, the angle of elevation of top of tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. There is a tower. Let us take this as a tower. So there are 2 points which are on the same line. That is first one. So that point you should remember. Okay. So there are 2 points. They are on the same line. So the angle of elevation from the top of the tower for these 2 points are complementary. Let us draw this first. So these 2 angles are complementary. Complementary angles means what? Sum of 2 angles is 90 degree. If I take this as angle theta, then what will be this angle? That will be 90 degree minus theta, because sum of these 2 angles is 90 degree. If I take this as theta, this will be 90 minus theta. If I take this as theta, this will be 90 minus theta. You can take any way, any one way. If I take this as x, this will be 90 minus x. If I take this as x, this will be 90 minus x. This is the foot of the tower. Let us name this A, B, C, D. This is the foot of the tower. So BC and BD, they said that the distance of those 2 points are 4 meter and 9 meter from the foot of the tower. That point is important. So from the foot of the tower, that is one is 4 meter, means BC is 4 meter, and another will be 9 meter, that is BD is 9 meter. Okay. So from the point C to base of the tower or foot of the tower is 4 meter. From another point D to B is 9 meter. We have to prove that the height is 6 meter, means AB is equal to 6 meter. I have to prove this. Okay. Now there are 2 right angle triangles. Those are ABC, one right angle triangle, another will be ABD. Now I will go for first any one. In right angle triangle ABD and ABD, let us, you can apply tan theta. Here angle I have taken it as theta generally, because sum of these 2 angles is 90 degree. They given tan theta. This I can write as AB divided by BD. Now tan theta, write it as it is. You don't know the value of theta. AB divided by BD is how much? 9 meter. Okay. So AB is divided by 9 is tan theta. You keep this as it is. Then I will go for another one. In right angle triangle, what is that? ABC. Now again, tan 90 minus theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta is equal to AB by BC. AB divided by BC. tan 90 minus theta. This is cot theta. Okay. We know the formula. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Like that. So AB divided by BC value is how much? 4 meter. That is AB divided by BC is 4. But here I want to find I have to find AB as 6 meter. Okay, AB I have to find. Means I have to show it. So for that I should remove these two terms, tan theta and cot theta. But AB must be remain as it is. Now for that reason, tan theta I will multiply these two, LHS and RHS as it is. Now tan theta into, I will multiply this LHS cot theta is equal to, and RHS also, AB divided by 9 into AB divided by 4. Okay. So actually I have to solve these two equations. This is like an equation. We are going to find AB. For that I have to remove this theta, cot theta and tan theta I have to remove. How I can remove? If I multiply these two will be get cancelled. Okay, that's why I can multiply. Otherwise you can divide also. If you divide, AB will get cancelled. No, don't divide it. Okay, so you should multiply. So this tan theta into 1 divided by cot theta is that is cot theta is nothing but tan theta. AB into AB, that is AB square divided by 9 4 36. Tan theta get cancelled. 36 is equal to what? AB square. Now AB is equal to plus or minus 6. But AB is here is the height of the tower. It cannot be negative. Okay. So AB must be 6. So that too in meter, because they have given distance in meter. That is AB is equal to 6 meter. Hence proved. Therefore the height of tower. Is 6 meter. Okay. Hence prove this. Try to solve these questions. I will solve this in the next class. Now you try. The question is, the first one, the angle of elevation of top of a vertical tower from a point on the ground is 60 degree. From another point 10 meter vertically above the first, its angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find the height of tower. This is first question. Then you try second question also. The angle of elevation and diffraction of the top and bottom of a lighthouse from the top of a 60 meter high building are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find, in that first one, the difference between the heights of the lighthouse and the building. Next one, distance between the lighthouse and the building. Okay, to solve these two. Next, third question. The angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point on the ground is 60 degree. After flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation becomes 30 degree. If the aeroplane is flying at a constant height of 3000√3 meter, find the speed of the aeroplane. The next fourth question. A man in a boat rowing away from a lighthouse 150 meter high takes 2 minutes to change the angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse from 60 degree to 45 degree. Find the speed of the boat. Okay. All these 4 questions you try yourself. Tomorrow, next class, I will give the solution for this. You try first. You can check it whether you got the answer is right or wrong. Okay.